Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us tonight and sharing your space and time with us. I'm super excited to be able to share information about Three, which is a global wellness company and a global movement. My name is Marisa Mangiamelli. I'm going to be your host for tonight. I am a board certified health and wellness coach. I specialize in integrative health and functional medicine. It's a tremendous passion of mine, really helping and serving other people. I came into this industry of integrative health about really about 10 to 11 years ago on my own journey, but I began coaching about 8 to 9 years ago. And it's a space that I love. I've been a lifelong equestrian. I have a 5-year-old daughter. We live up here in Pennsylvania in the Northeast, about an hour from Manhattan and Philly. And I'm just going to get into it tonight, be mindful of everybody's time. And I want to first start off with a short little video that really conveys the heart of Three, and I hope you enjoy it.
All of us are looking for a life of meaning and significance. A life that makes a difference in the world. A life that truly matters. We believe this is found through the right people, platform, and purpose. We call this movement Three. It starts with giving people greater health through the power of our proactive wellness products. Three's innovative formulas deliver demonstrable results by maximizing bioavailability and cellular absorption, ensuring people everywhere can enjoy the nutrition they need to operate at their best. Building on our foundation of people-focused products, we provide a platform for unparalleled entrepreneurship and personal growth. Three is there beside you every step of your journey towards building a business and a better life. Finally, we know that a sense of real purpose, the kind that moves hearts, minds, and mountains, comes through serving and elevating others. This philosophy is reflected in our caring community, which bring hope and life-saving help to people around the world. It's time to redefine what's possible and activate your full potential. It's time to live a life of purpose. It's time for Three.
So that is a really great introduction to the global movement that we really are as an organization. And what's really incredible is that Three is founded on three pillars. It's why we're called Three. And the most important pillar and foundation of our organization and our community and our culture is the people. It's really a business for the people by the people, which is incredible and something we don't get to see enough, I think, here in the United States. So I'm really passionate about that part of it. As you get to learn more about us, you'll start to realize really how people driven our community is. And that is to support a purpose. We're here really, we call it a global movement because there's a true desire for servant leadership to serve communities, to globally expand proactive wellness, to improve the quality of lives for people. We do that directly through our organization and we do that through philanthropy. And we do that by leveraging this incredible platform that's been provided to us that allows entrepreneurial spirits to really grow in a global way, in a global economy, to spread proactive wellness, to build community, and to give back. So I'm going to share a little bit more about that with our founder and CEO, Daniel Piku. And our organization is led with such heart because this man right here has a tremendous heart and comes from very humble beginnings. He started he spent part of his youth in state's care and not in foster homes, but like in a foster orphanage. With his brother. And so he really comes from nothing and has a big desire to make changes and to support other people's lives in a way that where he is empowering them with the tools to be able to change their life. So Daniel Piku he leads our company with tremendous heart and a lot of passion. And it's one thing that is very, very special that I feel is very special about our organization is him. Dr. Dan Gubler is really incredible. You can find him on Instagram, on TikTok. It amazes me actually. He's on almost daily. I think he leaves the lab and he does all of his videos from the car. You'll see him in his car just sharing health information, not even about our company. He is very, very, very passionate about medicinal properties of plants and how we can really leverage food to heal ourselves, to support ourselves, to really support a healthy lifestyle. He's an incredible scientist with a lot of background in organic chemistry. He's done tons of formulations. He's got multiple patents out. He's actually had experience in the pharmaceutical space, but really loves the nutraceutical space. And so he's bridging that gap and bringing really incredible technology into food sourced nutraceuticals, which is what we're doing here at Three, and it's incredible. So a little bit about our science and expanding on that. We have three pillars to our science also, and that's the exploration, curation, and absorption. And what that means is that Dr. Dan and our science team, they're always actively exploring ingredients, plants, medicinal properties, doing lifetime research. Three actually founded a medicinal plant research center in Thailand, which is incredible. One of the things I love about that is until this point, I actually feel like there's not a lot of money that people want to spend in that space because it's not necessarily patentable, right? And that's where a lot of money is made. Well, we're spending money in that space, and the plan is to publish research so that globally other scientists have access to that information to utilize, and we can really spread the wealth of information about medicinal properties of plants for us all to be able to use. I think that's really incredible. We curate our own products. That's also incredibly rare in any supplement space. And oftentimes you'll see, like if you walk into a supplement store or the grocery store, wherever you buy your supplements, you'll notice like a lot of them look the same. You look at ingredients and a lot of them look the same. And you're like, I don't really know what's the difference. What makes this one better than this one? And a lot of those actually are the same with like a minor little tweak of one proprietary ingredient or another. They're made by the same labs and they're labeled for whoever paid for the labeling and the formulation. We formulate and curate our own products, which is tremendous. We use only research-backed ingredients, which means that you could literally Google any ingredient in any of our products and you can pull peer-reviewed published research on that, like NIH publications, PubMed publications, all kinds of global publications on the ingredients that we utilize in our products. And the next step that makes it really incredible and unique and one of a kind is the absorption technology that we are really pushing. It just supplements are a necessary thing. We're actually one of the most unhealthy, like first world countries, developed countries out there. I think there's 45, 43, somewhere around there, developed countries. We're ranked 35th. Like that's not great for the US. I'm in the US. So if you're in a different country, just know that that's what I'm speaking to. And there's clearly a need for supplementation in our food system. We don't have great diets. We have a very fast-paced culture. People who even try to do their best with food just can't get the nutrients. Like you would have to eat so much of today's spinach, apples, fruit, whatever it is, to get the nutrient content that was available in those produce like 100 years ago. So supplements are needed, but the downside to supplements is the absorption is terrible. It is really in like the 10 to 15% range. Sometimes it could be a little bit more. And so what we do here at Three is we use all kinds of innovative technologies to increase the cellular absorption of the ingredients that we provide. And it's one of the reasons why people feel such a dramatic difference with our products, and we have incredible testimonials. And it's because we use 10 and growing absorption technologies. One of them is liposomal. Liposomal has been used in the pharmaceutical industry for many, many, many years, and it's proven. So a little bit about our products. Another thing that no one else can say is all of our products are in the PDR. The PDR used to be called the physician's desk reference, which you see here, and is now called the prescriber's digital reference because everything's digital these days. It used to actually be this tremendously large book in the doctor's office. Now they can just pull it up. It's in their computer systems. And what that is mostly a compilation of pharmaceuticals. And it is what it sounds like, a prescriber's digital guide. It's what physicians use for prescribing, for looking up counterindications, for looking up what they can utilize for a patient's need. What's amazing about our products there being in the PDR is the validation for one. We have to go through an extensive validation process to prove that our ingredients actually are research backed and support um, health health areas, right? Support specialty areas that we're saying we're supporting. So we have to go through an extensive process for that. It also means that you can have your physicians look up these products. They can be added directly to your chart. And physicians can leverage the product as well because the information is there for them to be able to support their patients if they're a physician in a mind of proactive preventative wellness. It's a tremendous tool all across the board, and we're the only company to have all of our products in the PDR, which is really speaks volumes. Some really amazing things about our products. I'm not going to like go through this entire list, but you can take a look at it while I tell you a little bit more. You can see here there's a whole bunch of things we don't have. There's no artificial anything, no artificial flavors, sweeteners, what's my brain's not working, scents, all the things, no artificials. There's no artificials. There's no fillers. That's also incredibly rare for a supplement. A lot of supplements have lots of fillers in them. We source our ingredients from whole food sourcing. The whole food source ingredients we source globally so that we can bring the highest quality, sustainable, earth-minded products into our formulations. And we do extensive testing on those ingredients before they even make it into our blends. So you can see here all the testing that we do on them. It's incredible. We are registered CGMP, which means we're actually registered with the FDA, which means we are third-party inspected, validated from purity, quality, sourcing, manufacturing, all the way through to consumer. Supplements are kind of like the wild, wild west where there's zero regulation. And so you could be buying a product that's not independently third-party tested that might have not a single one of the ingredients listed on it in it. Okay, so whether you decide to leverage our products or you don't, I highly suggest to everybody, I share this all the time, look and see if what you're using is CGMP, you want it to be. It's the highest standard of third-party validation and testing that you can get right now. Okay, so to start with our amazing products, Vitality is like the one that I think everyone needs. It is such a comprehensive blend of all the things. Like if you were to go shopping through the grocery store and you were trying to shop for produce that would encompass everything in this product, you would fill more than a cart's worth of produce. And that's not a joke. We actually had somebody go and do that. And Dr. Dam still said it's still missing a few things. Okay. And that grocery cart was like hundreds of dollars. So it has an incredible blend of nutrients, superfood blend, all your vitamins, 72 trace minerals, amino acids, a full omega fatty acid complex, a digestive care blend that has digestive enzymes, probiotics, prebiotics, a super fruit blend loaded with antioxidants. It is, guys, you literally can't find something like this. It comes in a little packet that you just grab and take daily, and it's phenomenal. It really is phenomenal. Revive is one of my favorites. It's a powerful, powerful, powerful anti-inflammatory. It is really good for supporting a natural, healthy inflammatory status in the body. These are some of the ingredients that you can check out. Some like curcumin, for example, is so heavily research backed, and we have it in a liposomal form. That is really significant because curcumin is one of the least absorbable nutrients in supplement form out there. And when you're eating it in turmeric, you're getting a very small percentage. So this really boosts those effects of the natural properties of curcumin, as well as all the other ingredients that we have in here. They're all great anti-inflammatory. There's some that are great for analgesics, and that's pain relieving. I get to share at the end of this why Megan loved this because she showed up to listen about this, all our products and our company with a migraine, and I was like, here, have some Revive, and she can tell you what that was like for her in a little bit. But it's really a phenomenal product. All chronic disease really starts with inflammation, and it's a great supportive product for that space. Eternal is an incredibly powerful antioxidant. Um, Oxidative stress is also the start of all cellular degeneration and again lends to inflammation and chronic illness. And so this is a liposomal product as well. And it has a powerful amount of resveratrol in it, 200 milligrams to be exact. Usually it tests a little bit more than that. We do test our products. This one always tests a little higher. So it's a minimum of 200 milligrams. And that's a very powerful research backed amount of resveratrol that really is cardiovascular supportive, and anti-inflammatory, inflammatory supportive, really, really powerful for oxidative stress. And glutathione is literally the mother of all antioxidants. Like the body can't function without it. And we produce glutathione in our body, but that production decreases with age. And the only way to actually increase your glutathione load is intravenously or liposomally. And we have a liposomal version of it here. It's a very, very, very powerful antioxidant for cellular support and for healing. I could spend our whole time on here just talking about that. So coenzyme Q10, that's another very cardiovascular supportive thing. This is just a great product for supporting your body, your cellular health, anti-aging, really healing from the inside out. And I'm moving on.
Delicious.
Yeah, and it is also delicious. Yes.
It is delicious too.
Yes, it is. My daughter loves it. She takes it every day. She's 5 years old. So if she likes it, and she also loves the collagen, which I don't share with her that often, because I'll share with you that our collagen is only 10 a day. 10 a month. So I actually shared that with somebody recently, and they were like, wait a second, if you take it 10 times a month, like now I'm interested, because she's like, I don't do stuff. I don't do stuff in my drink. I don't do flavorful stuff. And she loved that about it. My daughter does love the taste of this product. And it's funny. I think it tastes like strawberries. I think Tracy thinks it tastes like cotton candy. It doesn't matter what it tastes like. It tastes good. It definitely tastes good. And it's got some very powerful ingredients beyond the collagen. But I will share our collagen is the highest quality sourced collagen on the market. We source it from Norway from a sustainable open aquaculture, as you see here. It's 5 grams, which is a large amount of collagen. And what collagen is a large molecule. So it's not easily absorbed. And what we do to really boost the absorption of collagen is we hydrolyze it and micronize it. And what that does is it just breaks it down into a molecular form small enough that the body can absorb it. And because of that, there's tremendous results with it. It also is partnered with incredible ingredients. Now, collagen's great for your soft tissue, but so are all of these ingredients combined. So think joint health, cartilage health, soft tissue, ligament, tendon health. It's phenomenal for that. So people love this because their skin looks amazing. And I have a friend that actually saved thousands of dollars not getting Botox by using this product. But I love it for internal soft tissue joints. That's really my jam for this product because it's really powerful in that space. For me, it really helped my knee. I'm bone on bone in my right knee. And I was struggling with that, like having a hard time getting down the stairs. This product really, really gave me physical activity back. So that's tremendous. Immune is a product that like everybody probably would love to have once I share a little bit more about it. It's an incredible immune support modulating product. It enhances your gut microbiome, which as we know now, 80% of the immune system is in your gut. And we're also spiking, I don't really listen to the news. I'm going to be completely honest. I'm not a news person, but I know that we have increased illness going on right after shutdowns. Viruses are acting very strange at strange times of the year. People are getting COVID again right now, and this product does an incredible job supporting your immune system. It has ingredients in it that if you've been following protocols for supporting your body through COVID and prevention, you'll see them listed in our ingredients. I mean, it doesn't have the list here, but vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin D, Quercetin, liposomal quercetin, which is an incredible ingredient. It actually helps remove the spike protein. It does so many other things as well. It's an immune modulator, helps with allergies, does so many things. But then there's also the nano silver in here, which is like micro dosing of it. So it does not add to any toxicity in the body. And it does give you the benefit of antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal things that we definitely want to have in our life, right? So this is an incredible immune support product. It supports an underactive immune system as well as an overactive immune system. And we love it. Our daughter actually was sick. She had a fever 2 nights ago. And you know that like if anyone's on here, like you're that mother's instinct. I literally thought to myself, we haven't been giving Emmy immune very much lately. School's coming up. We just started her back on it. Literally, we just started her back on it like 3 days before she spiked a fever. Her fever lasted for 2 hours. She had this horrendous cough, and then in a day, she was resolving. So, and we've been giving it to her continuously, since then with the Eternal as well. We love it in our house for having a 5-year-old that spreads germs and goes to school. So it's good for that too. Purify is one of my favorite products. I feel like it's an unsung hero because people just want like instantaneous feel better, right? And some of our products do that. This is one of those products where you want to take it and it's going to take maybe a little time, but we have such high toxic exposure, especially in the United States. It's unavoidable. Like we voluntarily have toxic exposure. Some of us enjoy to drink. That's a toxin. And I'm not telling you not to give up your wine. But that's like a voluntary toxin, right? But the involuntary toxins come in our food, in our water, in the air, in our clothes, guys, in the skin products you're using, in your soaps, like in your body and beauty supplies. So this is a really important product because the liver is like the workhorse of your body. And this product supports more than just your liver, but I like to focus there because it's the workhorse of your body. And when it's been working too long and it doesn't get rest and you're putting a hot horse away hot, like the rest of your body doesn't function well. Inflammation starts, cortisol spikes start, autoimmune stuff starts. That's like the cascade of events that can happen. And this product is very supportive of your liver. It does a phenomenal job binding toxins to remove them, which a lot of detoxifying products sometimes don't. Sometimes it helps filter them out, but into your bloodstream and not out of your body. So this is a really, really great product for supporting all of your cleansing organs, your liver, your lungs, your colon, your kidneys. It has incredible ingredients. Again, you can Google some of these ingredients. You'll be blown away with the research behind them. So that is a quick snapshot of all of our products as a whole. And it would be remiss of me if I didn't share a little bit with you about the income potential that we have here as well. It's a very strange world and economy in this stage that we're in right now. Not the stablest. Most people are living paycheck to paycheck. A lot of people have multiple side jobs. And having multiple streams of income is kind of an important thing for stability. And so I really I'll be brief with this, but I do want to share it. We're a pretty new company. We launched in February into 14 countries. We're actually the only networking company that's ever done that, which is really incredible. We have a very strong presence in Pacific Asia and North America. We plan to open in 100 more countries over the next 5 years. And we have multiple streams of income within our organization, within our stream of income. And I'm not going to go into detail all of them, but I'm going to share the basics on some of them. Retail commissions is super straightforward. If you decide that you'd like to earn, like you're like, yes, sign me up for the products. If I love them, I'm sharing them, right? How often do we do that? There's affiliate marketing everywhere now. Nike has it. So I just saw like Gucci has an affiliate program. Like everybody has an affiliate program now. That's basically what our retail commission structure is like. You're an affiliate, you have a link, you love the product, you give it to a friend, you share your link, you make a 25% commission on retail. We have a preferred customer program, which allows people to buy wholesale, which means they get to save money. It's like Costco. You pay $30 for your wholesale membership for the year. You get to buy wholesale products. Okay. You also make a commission if you have preferred customers that you share your link with. We also get to build a team if you'd like to do that. There's tremendous opportunities in building a team, including team commissions. But one of the biggest ones is leadership matching bonus. And here's the thing, you might sign up just to be an affiliate, right? And you're like, yeah, I just want to be able to share my link with whoever I want, like with my friends when they ask, oh my gosh, what are you doing? Your skin looks amazing. Or I can't believe how much energy you have. Like, what are you doing that's different? And you share your link with them. Well, one of those people might go on to build a big team. And let's so say that that person's name is Jane, and one year they earn $100,000 by having built their team. You actually get to make a leadership matching bonus, which is like a finder's fee. It's 30% commission, but unlike a finder's fee, you get paid that residually. So it's a really incredible scenario that you can earn either from just sharing, and someone just runs with it, or by developing leaders and building a team because you like being in a leadership position, or by training somebody if you love to train. Like there's so many opportunities to really build that income. We've got additional sources of rank advancements and all kinds of things. And this is just what it looks like. It starts with you and sharing with two people, and that can grow exponentially just by word of mouth and how we just do life, right? One of the other really unique things is where we're at this time in our company. We're at the very beginning, as you see here in the formulation stage. What's incredible about our company specifically is that you get the opportunity to invest in what it really is a startup without the high risk of it. One, because the investment is not a high risk, and the amount, and two, because we're already in 6 months a debt-free company doing millions in revenue. The growth right now in this early stage has been incredible. And we're bringing in really incredible people. I mean, we have lawyers, physicians. We actually have a board of physicians, and we just had 2 new physicians join that board. One of them is a Mayo Clinic physician. So there's a tremendous amount of validation here in our organization as well, and a unique opportunity to be a part of it. So there's 3 ways to get started. You can become a customer. You're like, hey, these products sound amazing, and they sound like they might really be able to help my health. I want to try them. You can just get Megan's link or whoever invited you to this Zoom tonight, whether it's a recording or you're here with us live, and you can go shopping and try our products. We have a 30-day refund policy. So if you don't love something in 30 days, you can call up and return it for a refund. We have a preferred customer program, which I already shared, $30 a year to buy wholesale. If you buy 2 products, like total in a year, you'll have netted with your $30 membership. Okay. So it's worth it if you're going to buy 2 products or more, or you're going to be buying on the regular. Or you can join our team as a distributor and reap all the benefits of all the different income streams if that's something you're interested in doing. We have different packs that you can start with. They all have a tremendous savings on product value. Some of them come with benefits that essentially give you pay raises if you decide you're in it to actually earn income and build a business. And this one here actually gives you a piece of our global revenue share. That's tremendous considering what I just shared. That's not profit share, it's revenue share. So that's all the revenue of the company. It pays out weekly. As this company grows, the potential for that is really tremendous. So in order to earn your first share, it's super easy. Actually, it's 5 customers or team members or a combination thereof, and 600 in sales over a 4-week period. So it's very attainable to reach your first share there. And it's really a long-term investment payoff that you can tremendously leverage. So things to think about. Where are you at after we've had this share with you? I'm totally not interested, but I appreciate that you took the time to share with me tonight. That's number one. I want to improve my health. I want to feel better. I want to help people feel better. I would love to try the products. And 3, I'm super excited to feel better. I would love to make some extra money without having to really leave my home. And I want to learn more about that. Or 4, I'm all in. Like, sign me up. I want to be a founder in this company that is growing globally at a really incredible rate. Let me know how to do that. So think about that. Get back to whoever invited you. Get back to Megan. Let her help you. She can help you through that process. We can hop on a call, me, Megan, yourself, if you have more questions about products, you want to talk through stuff. We're really just here and available for you. So I'm going to go ahead and stop my share. I want to thank everybody so much for coming on tonight. I'm going to stop record. Good night, everybody.